Welcome to the MBPI Home Inspection Network. Todd Whiting, Metro Boston Property Inspections. And today we're doing a new construction property, and we're looking at this closet in the garage. And going into the closet, the door isn't a fire-rated door or burn-rated door, and it's open at the bottom. And normally that wouldn't be a problem if the closet is fully finished with a properly rated fire separation, such as 5/8 fire code gypsum wallboard or type X gypsum wallboard. But as we go into the closet, we can see that it enters into this open space here where there's exposed insulation. And so the fire separation is breached, and we would recommend installing proper 5/8 fire code gypsum wallboard or type X gypsum wallboard, or to install a proper burn rated door that's rated for 20 minutes or more. You can see it's open at the bottom. So hopefully you found this information helpful. Todd Whiting, Metro Boston Property Inspections, where we want you to buy with confidence. Inspect before you invest. Thank you for watching. To schedule your inspection, call 781-828-1972. And don't forget to ask about our 5-star optional services package and save $120.